What's up guys, Lazy Money UK here. You asked for a Loanpad video, so here it is. Loanpad is a peer-to-peer loan platform where you can earn interest by lending money to businesses. What makes Loanpad stand out from other P2P platforms is that your interest is paid daily rather than once a month. You can either withdraw passive income or automatically reinvest every £10 you earn to achieve compound interest. You get to choose between an instant access account with 3% annual interest or the 60-day access account with 4%. You could also use a combination of both accounts. The reason my interest rate is slightly higher than this is because I referred someone to the site. Now you could potentially achieve a better return than this by investing in the stock market. However, I like that my Loanpad balance increases in value every day rather than fluctuating like stocks and shares.
It don't go down.
Robert, it goes down.
No, it don't.
It do go down.
Oh!
Look at any review of Loanpad and you'll probably see someone getting funny about the safety of this investment. The main issue with Loanpad is that it isn't covered by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. FSCS exists to provide compensation to investors should an investment platform go under. Looking at Loanpad's track record, I don't see any evidence to suggest that they are at all likely to fail. They weathered the storm during the 2020 economic crash, with zero loss of capital being incurred by lenders.
Take that, safety boy!
Loanpad still has multiple layers of protection in place for their lenders.
Maybe I'll use 2 condoms at the same time.
Why would you do that?
Oh, I mean just one.
They use a careful vetting process to select only lower risk borrowers to work with. Each loan is secured against a UK property which can be sold by Loanpad to recover the debt. Loanpad users are given priority in claiming cash from a property should it decrease in value before Loanpad's lending partners get their share. You're given the highest level of diversification possible by having your investment divided between every loan on the platform. If one borrower defaults on their loan, you still have all the other loans as a backup. Loanpad provide an interest cover fund to continue supplying you with interest in the event that borrowers miss their loan repayments. Note that this is done at Loanpad's discretion and is not guaranteed. If Loanpad one day decides to cease operations, they are obligated by FCA regulations to arrange the continued management of your loans. You can control your personal risk further by investing no more than 10% of your assets in peer-to-peer lending. Just in case someone is watching this and wants to invest £5 in one go, I'll leave a referral code in the description that will get us both a £50 bonus. If not, no worries, you can get involved from as little as £10. Thanks for supporting Lazy Money UK by watching the video in full. Make sure you subscribe so I can show you more easy ways to earn cash. See you next time.